Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Playwright Assertions Part 4. Next assertion is to have value. This assertion is used to validate the input element's value with the given value. So let's take this email input element. Let me fill the value. So now I will compare. So here we are just identifying the value, then filling with the text, then we are asserting the element. Next assertion is to have values. This assertion is used to validate the select options with a given set of values. So this time I will use the different URL instead of GitHub. It contains the dropdown with a multiple select. So let's take this example. So this is the select option. Here by default, one is selected. You have to identify the element first. We'll copy the full X path. So here we have to provide all the selected values so that it will compare. So within square bracket, we have to specify the all selected options. So here currently the selected option is only one. So this one is selected. So I'll say this one. So value of one is the numeric digit one, this one. Within double quote, I'll specify one. Yeah, test is passed. If you wanted to specify multiple values, we have to specify with the comma separated. So like this. So the next assertion is to have title. Till now, we saw the element assertions. So to have title is the page assertion. This assertion is used to validate the title of the page. So here, instead of element, we have to pass the page. . Here we have to provide the title to validate. So the title of the page is so this is the title. So I'll copy this title, paste it here. So the both title is matching. That's the reason the test is passed. Next one is to have URL. To have URL also a page assertion. This assertion is used to validate the URL of the page. So I'll change URL here. I'll just copy paste this URL. So the last assertion is to be okay. This assertion is used to validate the API response is okay or not. We will see this in detail when we discuss about API automation. Custom expect message. We already saw this one. This is used to override the system default error message. So here if you see, should be logged in. So this is the customized assertion message. Suppose if there is any failure on this assertion, we will get this message. So in all our examples, we have added assertion error. So this is the customized message. If there is any failure on this assertion, then we will get this message. If the assertion is true, we will not get this message. Setting a custom timeout. By default, expect will wait for 5 seconds to meet the expectation of the assertion. If you want to set the time of all assertions, by using set options, we can modify. So the syntax of set options is like this. Set options within bracket timeout equal to the time. So if you wanted to set 10 seconds, then 10,000 we have to specify with underscore. So 5 seconds means 5,000 we have to specify 5 underscore 3 zeros like that. So like this we have to specify. So the next statement will wait for 10 seconds if there is any failure. So let me specify the wrong URL here so that it will wait for 10 seconds. So here it is waiting 10 seconds now. After 10 seconds, the timeout will happen. Yeah, now it's timed out. See, we can see the timeout happen 10 milliseconds. The 10,000 milliseconds is waited. Per assertion timeout. This is used to set the timeout for each assertion. So by using this, we can set the various timeout for each assertions. So this is the syntax for that. So we have to specify the timeout inside the assertion. Suppose if you wanted to specify the timeout for this assertion, we have to specify the timeout here. Timeout equal to 10,000. So this I will comment it. And also we can specify the timeout for this line also. So different time we can specify. So here I will just say 12,000. So here the timeout will be 12,000, and for this statement the timeout will be 10,000. Since the URL is wrong, it is failed here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.